morning, people of the world. Thanks for joining us today. It is Thursday and we are gonna have a great day together. I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're excited for the weekend that's coming up. We certainly are. Keisha and I are both headed out on Sunday, so that's pretty exciting. We're looking forward to that. We are going to different places, but both of them should be warmer than it is right here, right now. I don't even know what it is today, but today is the blizzard. Let me check the weather here, see how much we're actually supposed to get, because last time I checked we were supposed to get anywhere from like 9 inches to 14 inches. So it's always a toss-up. You never really know which way it's gonna swing. But this here says today 8 to 12 inches, tonight 3 to 5 inches. So it sounds like it's gonna be maybe a 24-hour storm. It's snowing right now. It wasn't supposed to start till 9, but it ended up starting at probably 7:30 this morning. I was up editing yesterday's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a fun night we had with Keisha's family. So if you haven't watched that, go back and watch yesterday's video, or wait till the end and there's a link to watch yesterday's video at the end of this video. So that's pretty awesome. Again, I hope you guys are doing great. I was thinking the other day about the new year and how everyone's like, oh, this is gonna be my year. This is gonna be the year that I pull things together and change things and start over. You hear that a lot. This is my year to start over, start fresh. There is no such thing as starting over. Every year we build on the year before that. But the one thing that you can do is make new decisions this year that can positively affect your life. So I hope that you guys are on the track to do that. Keisha and I are definitely trying to do that, swinging things around, doing things a little different, trying to stay positive, and hopefully we can inspire you guys, and hopefully you guys can inspire us to keep pushing forward, making those memories, and just having a great 2018. Thanks for joining us. Let's get this day on the road. So I made myself a cup of coffee this morning. I woke up and Keisha got a cold a couple of days ago. Yesterday she wasn't feeling that great. And this morning I woke up with a sore throat and being kind of achy, and so took some ibuprofen, made myself some coffee. I really wanted to go get like McDonald's breakfast sandwich, but I'm saving our money. I'm gonna make food here because we have stuff to make omelets and eggs and stuff here. So as much as I want unhealthy food that tastes good, I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna make my body feel crappy and I don't want that. So I'm gonna drink this coffee. I have a lot of work to do today and we're just gonna keep plugging away one step at a time. Whew, boy, it's coming down out there. I don't know how much we have so far, maybe only like a half an inch, but it's definitely coming down and I feel like it's getting a little bit harder of snow. We're bracing. They said blizzard conditions and up to, well, I heard a few feet of snow, but it looks like it's gonna be between a foot and a foot and a half as it currently stands. So that's exciting. It'll be cool to go around tomorrow morning with all the fresh snow on top of everything. I always love that. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful the day after a snowstorm. If you're not from a place that gets a lot of snow, it's pretty cool. The cold is not fun, and it's not great to drive in, but it's beautiful, and it's kind of fun to live in a winter wonderland. I need to dig up something for breakfast because I'm getting kind of hungry. Russell is sleeping, Keisha's sleeping. It is a laid-back morning in terms of that. I'm just making it through work because I've got lots to do. Whoa, I should probably open the curtains. Oh, how's that? Oh yeah. I settled on fried egg and toast. I'm gonna do a couple of fried egg, making a couple of toast, and it's a good way to use up the heel of bread, the very front slice and the back slice, because those tend to be tougher, so you can cut up the egg. Material, it would be a line as an item. finally got everything shut down and done for the night. It's after 5 o'clock. It was another crazy busy day and the snow is still coming down outside. Let me see if I can turn this light on and show you what it looks like out there. It's turning more into a blizzard with the wind picking up. Let me go to another window and see if you can see out there. Woo-wee! Sweet pig, pig, pig! It's pretty crazy, but I'm done work and tomorrow's Friday, which means the weekend is coming. Super excited. Baby, we've got to pack.
I know.
Gotta relax first though and then pack. It's shower time! It's echoey in here. Shower time. I've got to get all fresh and clean. The bathroom's warm upstairs, so we shower upstairs because the downstairs shower obviously is being tiled and it's not done yet. So Keisha took a shower a little bit ago and left the heater up here so it's nice and warm. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to take a shower. I'll see you guys when I'm done. I'm finished with my shower now, and I took a nap. Keisha was taking a nap, and Russell was taking a nap, and so I figured, what better opportunity than for me to take a nap too? Yeah. Whoa. Okay. That's not good. Easy, Poe Bear. I just looked at the oven to see what time. What? No. He loves to pick at those things. And I saw 450. I was like, it's not 450. Then I realized I'm preheating the oven to make tater tots. I hope your day is going amazing. Look at Russell on the mattress. He loves to be on top of there. But I heard him last night picking at it. And I was like, no, I was too tired to get up though and tell him to stop. But gonna make, I think we're gonna do, trying to clean out some food before we leave. We're gonna do this Bertolli's chicken Florentine and Forelli. And then we also got some garlic bread a while ago, so we're gonna bake that up once the tater tots are done and have ourselves some pasta and garlic bread. And I'm gonna have some tater tots as well. Super excited about that. We're gonna watch some Parks and Rec while the oven preheats, and it is still blizzarding outside. The wind is picked up and snow's blowing around. Whew. Baby, feeling any better at all?
Not really.
I'm sorry. Keisha's been sick all day, but I'm glad you've been able to rest.
Me too.
You're so pretty, even when you're sick.
Thanks.
Isn't she? If you think she's pretty, give this video a thumbs up. The aftermath of a dinner made by yours truly. But it was all box stuff, so I just threw it in the oven and on the stovetop. Pretty cool. Time is oh, look at that. Is he not the, where's his head? There it is. Is he not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It is almost 10:30 and we're gonna call it a night, right baby?
Yeah.
We both got to take a nap this evening, which was very nice. You haven't been feeling good all day.
No.
But hopefully, usually the way that colds work is you start getting sick and then you have a couple of bad days and then you start to slowly improve. You've had a couple of bad days, so hopefully you'll start improving tomorrow. We'll try to get a good night of sleep tonight too, which will be nice. Aww. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys had an awesome day. Tomorrow is Friday. Can you believe it, baby?
No.
The weekend is coming. We've got to pack. I know we keep saying that, but anyway, I'm excited to see, well, not excited, but I'm going to walk around tomorrow morning and get some video of the snow because I think we'll have a lot.
Yeah.
It sounds windy out there and kind of treacherous.
Yeah, it does.
You can hear it kind of like the massive wind blowing through the trees. So.
I think there are a lot of people without power too.
Yeah, I'm so thankful that we have power still, because our heat requires power.
Yeah.
And so, no power, no heat. So we'll hope we won't lose that. Anyway, baby, do you know what the word of the day is? It's hornswoggle. Do you know what it means?
Something or a hoax.
Yeah, a bamboozle or a hoax. I was gonna buy this new electronic from eBay, but when I received it and opened the box, I found out that it was a, what was it? A hornswoggle. This is such a hornswoggle, has such a crazy ring to it. Anyway, we love you guys. Remember to keep pushing forward in light of it all. Hope you've enjoyed these vlogs in 2018. There's gonna be lots more to come. Good job, baby. Couldn't do it without you. I love you, baby. I just yelled in her ear. I'm sorry.
Okay.
We love you guys. Remember that it is the journey that matters. Baby, any last words before we go?
Nope.
All right, we love you guys, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.